Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we're actually going to be getting hands-on-zy, and we're going to be working on my second gen Toyota 4runner. It is the 3.0 3VZE engine version. It's also the 5-speed manual transmission, and it includes the 4x4 package as well. Solid truck, but of course, long story short, I bought it, it had some issues, so I decided just to tear it down. And I'm actually going to be doing the knock sensor here shortly. So that's what this video is for. I'm going to be replacing the knock sensor on the second gen 94 Toyota 4runner. So if you're watching this video, you've probably already done at least a little bit of research on your knock sensor and the code 52, right? I have not had my code 52, but like I said, long story short, I bought this vehicle, had some issues, so now I'm working on it, and while I'm working on it, I decided let's replace the knock sensor. So, like I said, if you've done your research on this, you realize that this part is pretty pricey, right? It's close to $300 if you buy it at a Toyota dealership. So, I'll link it to the description for sure. I was able to get the same genuine part off of eBay, off of this company that has at least a lot of reviews, and I believe I've purchased parts from them in the past. For my Buell Blast motorcycle, but again, like I said, it's still a genuine part, and the part number is 89615-50010, and it looks like this. Boom. And knock sensor, genuine Toyota. So the reason that I got it from eBay is because it was $124.95 with free shipping instead of $300. Still a genuine part, and they offer free returns, so can't beat that, right? So I'll link that down in the description if you're really interested, and if you want to, you know, buy the part for yourself. I don't get any money or any affiliation links by them. I'm just trying to help people out because I've been trying to do a lot of research on this myself, and it's hard. It's hard to find articles or videos even in good condition on these vehicles, so I hope I'm able to at least help someone out. So yeah.
well, that is the end of the video. Again, I want to thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I hope I was able to teach you in installing your knock sensor. If there's any tips, tricks, or anything that you want to let me know, feel free to comment down below. Again, please feel free to like this video. It'll definitely help me out. Other than that, this is probably something that I'm going to continue doing. I know I have a couple of other parts that I have to install in order to get this vehicle up and running. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to check me out, and I'll catch you next time.